Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today's video is finally unboxing of the Boxluxe for September 2019. Now this is a every 3-month box, so you get the BoxyCharm, your regular subscription, and then every 3 months you have the option to upgrade to a Boxluxe, which is a $50 box instead of regular $21 a month. You can also just stick to the regular $21 a month if you don't want the big expensive box. But today I have the upgrades, so today we're going to be unboxing this. It is a $50 box with at least $300 worth of value inside, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, just as a disclaimer before we get started, I did get an email from BoxyCharm yesterday before this came in that they sent me the wrong item. You know, they send you like preferences, and I don't remember what the preference was. There was something or a hair thing, and I didn't want the hair thing, but they sent me an email saying they sent me the wrong preference item, so I'm sure that's what I got in this box. But apparently I get to keep this item and they'll send me the right thing eventually, maybe next month. So I'm excited that they are willing to send me the thing and I get this one for free, but something in my box is wrong according to my preferences, but I don't know what that is yet. So let's go ahead and get into it because these always have really good value in here. Also, I got a new tattoo for Friday the 13th, so if I'm like moving weird, that's why. This box is huge. So in here we have a card that has the theme, which is all access, as well as the retail prices and description of everything in this box. So I'll also leave the retail prices of these items on the screen for you. And again, you get everything for $50. So right off the bat we have a palette. So this is from Violet Voss. It is the Essentials palette. So this is the Essentials palette. It is from their Pro series of eyeshadow palettes. They're small palettes, and this color story is so cute. It is definitely like the Through My Eyes palette from ColourPop or the Tartelette Unleashed palette from Tarte. That's what this color scheme reminds me of, with like the oranges, the neutrals, and the pops of blue as well. So this palette, the Essentials, is really cute, and I think I'd probably get a lot of good use out of it, especially this dusty rose shade, because like I love a kind of muted kind of color. So this is the Essentials palette. This retails for $29. Alright, next up in here is the Park Avenue Princess. This was in the first Boxluxe they came out with too. So this is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. It is a contouring palette I decluttered earlier this week just because I never got a lot of use out of it, but it is really stunningly beautiful, and I like craved this because I didn't get the first Boxluxe, like I was still on the wait list. This retails for $45. The packaging is absolutely stunning, and I love this palette, but unfortunately I just have a lot of other palettes that I reach for more. Mine looks like it's been touched. So this is the palette. I don't know if you can tell on the bottom. I mean, the lighting's weird, but I don't know if you can tell. It looks like there's like marks in the bottom of it, like it's been touched. Can you see the discoloration here? I'm not sure if it's going to show up on camera, but it definitely looks like my enhanced shade has been touched in 3 different places. But it might just be a defect, I don't know, but this is the Park Avenue Princess. I'm surprised they already have duplicate items going in a Boxluxe, considering this is still like the first, I think it's like the 4th Boxluxe they ever came out with, and they're already duplicated products we've already had in the first one. I'm not happy about that, actually. I mean, I still love this palette. I think it's a great palette, but I've already gotten it in a Boxluxe. It's already been in the Boxluxe before, so why are we getting it again? Next up in here is a hair thingy. So I did get the hair thingy. So this hair thingy is the Sutra Beauty 32mm 1 1/4 inch clipless curling cooling iron with a cool tip. We can go ahead and open this up. I get to keep this since they sent me the wrong thing. This retails for $65, which is really expensive. But this comes in like this cool little carrying case. And it's just a thin curling wand. It's 1 1/4 inches, which is kind of big for my thin hair. But this is this item. Next up is another hair care product. This is from IGK. I love IGK, but I don't need this product. This is the Mitris Hydrating Hair Balm. IGK's dry shampoos are life. Like the charcoal dry shampoo is everything. It's the best dry shampoo. IGK is a really good brand. I don't know what I need with a hydrating balm. It has coconut oil. It's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh down your hair. If you have dry, coarse, or frizzy hair, smooth, soft, or hydrated hair is what you want. Apply to damp or dry hair. I don't need this product. This retails for $29. Pretty standard IGK kind of price. It's fine, but like, meh. I'm not like the hair care person. I want these boxes for makeup, not hair stuff, but I digress. let's move on to the next thing in here, which looks like a Stila product. So this is a Stila shimmer liquid lipstick, a stay all day shimmer liquid lipstick. I wish it was matte. I'm a matte person. But this retails for $22. I have the color Patina Shimmer. Again, just give me a matte color. You know me by now, BoxyCharm. This is a pretty pink color. It's a beautiful color, but with a shimmer, I probably wouldn't get a lot of use out of it because it is metallic-y. But the color is really cute, and for $22 in here, pretty good little bonus thing. Next up in here is a Hank & Henry Slick With It eyeliner in Blickety Black. So this retails for $20 as well. I'm not going to open it just so I can have this fresh when I start to use a new eyeliner. Actually, you know, I'll go ahead and open it. You know, why not? My Ophir one's almost dry anyways. Let's go ahead and open this one. So this is very confusing because like the bronze cap and the bronze piece right here, but this is Blickety Black. It's okay. This doesn't look like the best eyeliner in the world. Like, I kind of like the brush tip, but it says Blickety Black. That's not really that black. So, is this worth $20? I don't know. I'm not impressed with the darkness of this black, but I like the tip. The tip's very nice. So, that's the next thing in here. Next up, we have something from Dr. Brandt. This is the first item in here that's not cruelty-free. So, this is Dr. Brandt Recovery Sleeping Mask. It deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. This product is probably expensive because it's an expensive brand. This retails for $52. And I paid $50 for the box, so like there's the value right there. I don't know what you're gonna do with a sleeping mask. I feel like I don't want to sleep with tons of products on my face. I don't know if you guys feel that same way. And this is what the tube looks like. It is only 1.7 ounces of product for $52, which is, it's a decent amount of product because you think you usually get 1 fluid ounce in a foundation for like $40. So it is a lot of product in here. But this is this. And it looks like we have one last thing in here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for it. So this is the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. I am so excited for this moisturizer because I hear great things about Sunday Riley products. We've gotten something in a Sunday Riley. We got the, like a vitamin C serum in the Ipsy Plus. But this Sunday Riley retails for $65, this water cream. I love a water cream. I think water creams are really great. They feel really light and really do a good job at moisturizing your skin. Ew, it stinks though. I wanted to say it smelled like cucumber, then it smelled like something spoiled. I don't know. I'm still gonna use it. It doesn't have the greatest smell though. Like, it kind of smells like it smells like cucumber water cream, but also feels like something, it smells like something sea-like, like from the water, like from the beach, so it doesn't smell good. I don't know. But that's the first thing in here for $65. Or that's the last thing in here for $65. And I got a little bit I'm going to put in my hand. Feels very smooth. Feels like a water cream. Doesn't feel like anything particularly special. But $65. I love the packaging. And I'm super excited to try more Sunday Riley products. Alright, so that's everything from the Boxluxe. Let's go over everything that we got. So we got the Sunday Riley water cream, which retails for $65. We have this Dr. Brandt Hydrobionic Sleeping Mask, which retails for $52. We have an IGK Hydrating Hair Balm, which retails for $29. I'm going to try this, tell you what I think, because like I'm not optimistic about hair products ever. We have a Steel Liquid Lipstick, retails for $22. We have a Sutra Curling Wand. BoxyCharm, thank you for giving me this for free since I didn't pick this as my preference. I appreciate you wanting to make up for that. I'm just not excited about it. This retails for $65. We have a Park Avenue Princess, which they're already duplicating products, which makes me kind of like irritated, but this is $45. It's still a really good product if you don't have it. It's a great contour palette. And then we have a Violet Voss Essentials palette, which I'm actually really excited about. This is a really cute color story that I would probably get a lot of use out of, and this retails for $29. And we also have the Blickety Black eyeliner, which I'm not crazy about, from Hank & Henry. It might be good. We'll see how it performs, but it's just not, it's called Blickety Black. It's not that black. And this retails for $20. So that is everything in the Boxluxe for this month. I do think overall it is worth the money, even if I'm not crazy about getting a hair product or a duplicate product. But just like these two products alone are my favorite. So this retails alone for $65. So I got my value out of the box, and like palettes. And I will probably use some of the other things, and I can also give them people who would use them more than me. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below if anybody else got like something wrong in their box preferences. I would love to hear about it, if it was just me or was it like an overall thing. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.